Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine. And today in this video, I'm going to share a miracle story of Durood Sharif and Istighfar. We have a contact with one brother, and he is our WhatsApp member also, and he sends his Durood Sharif in our group and Istighfar also. So he was telling his story. He said that he started short Durood Sharif, Sallallahu ala Muhammad, and Astaghfirullah, and he kept reciting Sallallahu ala Muhammad 10,000 times a day and Astaghfirullah 7,000 times. And he used to recite Istighfar and Sallallahu ala Muhammad in this method. He used to recite Sallallahu ala Muhammad Astaghfirullah together like this: Sallallahu ala Muhammad Astaghfirullah, Sallallahu ala Muhammad Astaghfirullah, Sallallahu ala Muhammad Astaghfirullah. And when the quantity reached 7,000 times, then he stopped reciting Astaghfirullah, just recite Durood Sharif Sallallahu ala Muhammad. So he recited 10,000 times Durood Sharif Sallallahu ala Muhammad and Astaghfirullah 7,000 times. He said that when the number reached to the 3 lakhs or more than 3 lakhs, Sallallahu ala Muhammad Astaghfirullah means Durood Pak and Istighfar, when my quantity became more than 3 lakhs, one biggest miracle happened in my life. He said that I worked in a place where there is a department comes under me, and I have to manage all the things. And he said, I not only take my salary but also took commission, which is not correct, which is not legal, which is not halal. And I used to take it. I used to take commission, and I managed my whole department. He said that when I recited more than 3 lakh Durood Sharif and Istighfar, one day one thing came to my mind, that this income is not legal. And a Muslim, when took only one bite of haram, his all prayers became waste, and his prayer did not accept. So I was worried, and that day I decided I would not take commission. I just took my salary, and I stopped taking commission on my salary. Even my salary was not enough. My expenses would not be fulfilled in my salary, but I decided that from today I would not take commission. And he stopped taking commission. He said, Allah Azza wa Jal gave barakat in my salary, and alhamdulillah, my all expenses are being fulfilled easily in my salary, and Allah Azza wa Jal opened other ways for income for me, which is totally halal. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, I have stopped taking haram money. He said, this is the biggest miracle in my life, because I'm married, I have children, and if I am taking haram income and I feed my children haram, so obviously I would suffer and my children would suffer also. So alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, he said, I have stopped taking illegal income or commission in my department. Another thing, he said that after reciting Astaghfirullah abundantly, Durood Pak abundantly, another miracle happened, that I have started performing salah with Jamaat. Before, I just performed salah, and I did not perform salah regularly. I used to perform salah 2 or 3 times, but now alhamdulillah, I am performing salah regularly 5 times a day and with Jamaat. Just 1 or 2 salah I cannot perform with Jamaat just because of my job or other activities. But alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, now I am regular in my salah. And third thing, he told us that I have stopped doing sin. And before reciting Astaghfirullah and Durood Sharif, I used to do sin. But now, and I don't feel like to do any sin. And the sin which I have committed in my life, and I regret on it. And I have said to Allah that I will not commit sin in my life. And I am trying not to do sin. So this is the biggest achievement of my life, that after reciting Astaghfirullah and Durood Sharif, alhamdulillah, my prayers are regular. Alhamdulillah, I have stopped taking illegal income, and I have stopped committing sin. So he said that this is the miracle of Astaghfar and Durood Sharif. Once a person started reciting it with love and with concentration or with the heart, Allah Almighty helps a person to stop doing bad things and to do good things. So this is the miracle of our brother. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers, and may Allah help us to recite more and more Durood Sharif and Astaghfar. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.